give justice to this series dahil sa masterpiece na ginawa ni Ako Si Ibarra, Rain. With Rain. So, let's discuss Project Loki. So, Project Loki has over 92 million reads, and Project Loki is a famous mystery thriller Wattpad series that follows the adventures of QED Club, which is a group of students who solve mysteries and crimes. And I think dito sa Project Loki, yun talaga yung mga aabangan natin is paano nga ba matatranslate into this adaptation yung mga sinusubaybayan ng mga fans, the 92 million readers, paano nga ba, is it gonna be bloody? Paano nga ba i-execute yung mga cases na yun? So the story begins when Lorelai transfers to Clark University to seek refuge and solace. She joins the QED Club, led by Loki, who happens to be her roommate, and her college life, or yung buhay niya, has never been the same. So if you guys notice, in Rain's writing, it was there you go. Ayun na. Dito tayo.
Okay, so originally, it was set in Clark High kasi high school students pa lang yung characters natin. But we have decided to level it up to each of the characters so that it will be more appropriate for the audience as well as for the setting. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga tauhan natin, yung makikilala natin mamaya, meron silang undergraduate degrees at nakaset na talaga sila na around, I think 20s, tama po ba? And yun po yung sa nating aabangan talaga na changes na sa tingin namin is nababagay sa adaptation na to.
Thank you for that, Rain. And of course, after a traumatic incident in Manila, Lorelai Rios transfers to Clark University, where she unexpectedly ends up sharing an apartment with the aloof and eccentric Loki Mendez. The relationship starts off rocky, but things shift when Lorelai joins the QED Club, a detective group founded by Loki. So ito yung excited din kami as the director. I'm sure all the casts are very excited also na magsimula na mag-shoot because ginawa nga namin itong introducing their characters as Loki, Lorelai, Luther. Makikita nyo, they're very, hindi na sila makapagantay to portray the characters. Nabasa na rin nila yung book, sabi ko ulit-ulitin nila. So as they grow closer while solving mysteries, the two uncover a series of cases tied to a shadowy figure only known as M or Moriarty. Along the way, Lorelai encounters Luther Mendez, Loki's cold and intimidating older brother. Parang nakikita ko yung mga fans yan, nandito sila ngayon. Yeah. So the QED Club later welcomes Jamie Santiago, a lively theater actress who adds warmth to the team. Meanwhile, Lorelai's childhood friend from Manila, Alistair Ravenna, visits her and urges her to return home, but chooses to stay in Clark University. So I was told that we're also streaming online. So I'd like to also greet the fans and to everyone na nanonood ng story conference ng Project Loki. And I'm sure habang binabanggit po namin, di ba rin, habang sinasabi natin yung Clark University, Loki, Luther, and all the characters of the QED Club, may mga certain scenes na lumalabas sa isip nila yung mga nasulat mo. So that's very exciting. Each member brings a different personality and investigative approach to the table, but despite their differences, the Clark University's QED Club is united by a common goal: to pursue the truth and deliver justice to those who deserve it. So guys, please panapakan po natin ang masterpiece ni Rain and Wattpad, Project Loki. And again, that's our promise. That's my promise as the director, to give justice at bigyan po ng halaga bawat eksena to all the di ba binabasa natin isa-isa yung mga comments. Rain was very particular na, ito yung dapat
line niya or hindi niya sasabihin yung bagay na to, hindi siya magre-react ng ganito. Kaya talagang on our part, in collaboration of course with Director Zian Lim, talagang binabantayan namin. Hindi lang yung visuals nila. For sure, makikita nyo mamaya kung ano yung mga, kung sino-sino yung mga gaganap. Pero yung pinaka-importante is kung paano sila magsalita, manamit, at saka kumilos talaga.
Dito kita tatanungin, Rain. Teka.
Yes.
If merong isang eksena, I'm sure to all your fans watching right now, kung merong isang eksena na gusto mong pagtuunan talaga namin ng napaka-detalyadong, ano yan? Naku po, may sinabi. Spoiler. Then. From the author himself, kung meron kaming pipiliin na eksena, ano yung gusto mong career na eksena?
I think ang pinakaabangan ko po na iti-take, lalo na ni Direk, is yung revelation ng big villain natin for this story because it is the most defining moment, especially sa first volume ng Project Loki. So, ito kasi yung siya yung punot dulo kaya meron tayong kwento. Kaya kapag na-reveal na yung identity niya, yun siguro yung mapapa-wow, hindi ko in-expect na siya pala. Parang ganun yung magiging expected reactions natin sa ating mga viewers. And in relation to that, isisingit ko yung cheer up scene. So, I'm not the only one who is looking forward kung paano i-direct ni Direk Zian yung of course, di namin pwedeng sabihin kung sino yung mga involved na characters, pero talagang marami ang nag-aabang kung paano nyo po iti-take yung scene na yon.
Well noted, Rain, with that scene. So naririnig ka ng buong production team, nandito sila ngayon, so we will take note of that cheer up scene. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, that about does it, ladies and gentlemen, for the StoryCon.
Oh, no,
lots to live up to. Yeah.
Sorry, also, Rain would also like to do the character introduction for Project Loki.
Okay, isa siguro sa mga inaabangan sa adaptation po natin is kung paano yung magiging dynamics, lalo na ng QED4. So to give you an idea kung sino-sino yung mga aabang characters, bago natin makilala kung sino-sino yung gaganap sa kanila, i-rundown muna natin kung sino yung mga tauhan ng Project Loki. So yung pinakauna is si Loki Mendez, called analytical, emotionally detached, guided by logic over empathy. He often comes off as blunt or sarcastic, especially when unimpressed. So Loki is like the teenage version of Sherlock Holmes na napaka-eccentric niya sa kanyang pananalita, paniniwala sa buhay, at saka sa pagkilos din. So hindi siya kagaya ng mga typical detectives na nakikita natin na normal lang na maka-encounter ng case, then isosolve normally, tapos happy ending na. So Loki has a very different approach and very controversial and unconventional opinions. So, matalino din siya and kailangan mong masabayan yung level of intellect niya para magkaintindihan kayo at hindi kanya insultuhin. Next is Lorelai Rios. So, siya ang chronicler ng QED Club. Siya ang nagbo-blog ng mga cases na sinosolve ng detective group natin. So, supportive and empathetic. Lorelai Rios possesses a quiet maturity well beyond her years. Often the emotional anchor of the group, she offers steady compassion without losing her grounding in reason. So if Loki is the mind, Lorelai is the heart of the QED Club. One of the hearts later on, but siya yung nagbibigay ng empathy sa mga clients kasi Loki is more on solving their problems rather than connecting with the clients, while Lorelai is more concerned about yung mararamdaman ng clients nila once the case is solved or once the case is ongoing. So, galing din siya mag-observe ng mga bagay-bagay, kaya nga pinagkatiwalaan siya ni Loki na mag-vlog ng mga case nila. Then of course, my personal favorite, Luthor Mendez, is the older brother of Loki Mendez and the student council vice president of Clark High. Luthor is quiet, calculating, and strategic, an intimidating presence both in demeanor and stature. So Luthor Mendez likes to work behind the scenes, kagaya ng isang director or ng isang manunulat. ayaw niya sa spotlight, ayaw niya natututukan ng kahit anong attention. Mas gusto niya nagtatrabaho sa kadiliman o sa likod ng ginintoang telon, parang ganun. So, isa to sa mga inaabangang character ng mga mambabasa ng Project Loki dahil nga napaka-mysterious niya at saka looking forward kung paano niya i-manipulate yung events para makuha yung goal na inaasam niya. Then of course, we have Jamie Santiago. Cheerful, clingy, and playful, the kind of girl who lights up a room and knows exactly how to win people over. So si Jamie ay sabihin na nating parang foil siya kay Lorelai. Kung si Lorelai medyo reserved, medyo maintindihin. Si Jamie naman is napaka-lively. Siya yung nagbibigay ng init dun sa club. Siya yung nagbibigay ng more dynamics dun sa apat na makikilala natin mamaya. At siya talaga yung sabihin na nating importanteng piece dito sa story na to, so to speak. And abangan natin kung paano siya magkikling kay Loki, tatawagin Loki dear, at saka ano pa ba? At kung paano sila magbabardagulan ni Lorelai sa mga unang set of chapters or episodes in the adaptation. And of course, our green flag, our best boy, Alistair Ravenna, embodiment of loyalty and discipline, calm, protective, and deeply principled, he approaches conflict with a quiet strength and unwavering moral passion. So kapag well, it's a bit of a spoiler, pero kapag dumagdag na si Al, madadagdagan na yung parang moral compass dito sa ating QED Club. At dadagdagan na rin ng kakampi si Lorelai sa pag-check kay Loki at saka kay Jamie doon sa mga plans nila or doon sa mga ideas nila na medyo unconventional or controversial or medyo risky. So, fans are also looking forward kung sino yung gaganap na Al Ravenna. And syempre, inaasahan nila na green flag siya at saka yun nga, yung physique niya kaya niyang protektahan ang QED 3 or QED 4. And I think that's it for the characters na dapat abangan, for the major characters. And on my part, as an author, and of course, kagaya nga sinabi ko kanina, in collaboration with Direct Zian Lim, we will make sure that hindi lang namin kinuha yung pangalan ng characters tapos tinapal sa isang tauhan na di natin kilala or di natin makikilala. So asahan ninyo, with the help of everyone involved in the production, with Wattpad Webtoon Studios, with Direct Zian, with the writing team, with the production team, na kung ano yung nabasa nyo sa book, malapit doon or yun mismo yung inyong aabangan dito sa adaptation na to.
Maraming salamat. And thank you for bringing us Project Loki.
Thank you to the both of you. Thank you, gentlemen. A lot to live up to and a lot in store para sa ating minamahal na mga manonood. Ano po? So it's time to associate some faces to the roles. Di po ba? Part and parcel of why we're here. Kasi may cast reveal din. Ayun! Woo! Nakaka-excite po talaga, no? Sila ang tutulong na buuin ang puzzle na to. This labyrinth, this maze of mystery and intrigue. But before that, let's watch this. Daming fans! Patingin ba lang? Ang dami nang nababaliw dyan! O, tatlong ang bagsak para sa Project Loki! 1, 2, 3! Hey! That stands for I love you. Mahal na mahal namin kayo lahat, guys. Without further ado, and with bated breath, sabay-sabay na po nating i-welcome ang ating cast of characters na bibigyan buhay ang inyong pinakamamahal na mga characters. Okay, so Love Yauco playing the role of Margaret Fernandez. Ivan Lim as Basseten. Montreal, Joanna Lara playing the role of Rhiannon, and Michael Keith as Ray Rubio. We also have Ashley Diaz as Rosetta Rodriguez and Kurt De Los Reyes as Scott. Center stage, please. Okay, just like that, makakaupo na po sila. Opo. Thank you so much, everybody, for making your presence abundantly known, felt, and heard. We welcome you with outstretched and open arms. Okay, but before anything else,